The time objection splits off into two different directions. You have bandwidth time objections, which is I don't have enough time on a daily basis to do what it is that you're asking me to do. And then you have time frame objections, which is I'm going on holiday. When it comes to bandwidth objections, you have to do a time audit in the same way that you would do a financial audit. How many hours are you working per day in your 9 to 5? I'm working from 9 a.m. until 6 p.m. Okay, understood. After you finish work, what do you do then? What does the rest of the day look like? Then I'm going to the weekend. What does the weekend look like? Again, I'm looking at it through the prospect's lens. I do want them to have time off. I do want them to be able to recharge. I do want them to be able to relax. But how much time do you have available on the weekends? Because I know that there's time there. I know that there are hours there. And once I have gone through that whole process, I'm adding it all up, then I'm re-explaining the product or the service through that lens. So for you to go through this section of the product, it's going to take you X amount of time. Crucially, once I've gone through that whole process, I'm then tying it to the outcome. I'm using a binary question so that it becomes unreasonable for them not to give me the answer that I want them to give me. Do you think that it would be reasonable for you to invest just 20 hours on a weekly basis for you to get to 20K per month in the next 90 days? Or do you feel like that's unfair?